Confirmed. Dating na nga ang status ng sikat na Korean drama stars na sina Lee Jong-suk at IU. Mismong ang talent agency na ni Lee Jong-suk na Hyzum Studio ang nagkumpirma ngayong araw, December 31, na nagkakamabutihan na nga ang dalawang K-drama stars. Ayon Hyzum Studio, from a close colleague relationship to a loving relationship, na ang peg ni Lee Jong-suk at IU. Narito ang official statement ng nasabing talent management na isinalin sa English ng online news site na Soompi. Hello, this is Hyzum Studio. We would like to share our official position regarding the exclusive report regarding Lee Jong-suk. Actor Lee Jong-suk recently progressed his relationship with IU from a close colleague relationship to a loving relationship, and the two continue to seriously meet each other. We ask for your support so that they can continue their beautiful love. Ibinuking ngayong araw ng South Korean news outlet na Dispatch na 4 years nang nagdi-date sina Lee Jong-suk at IU at magkasama ngang nag-celebrate ng Pasko sa Nagoya, Japan. Naging usap-usapan din ang acceptance speech ni Lee Jong-suk sa ginanap na 2022 MBC Drama Awards noong December 30. Nanalo ang Korean star ng Grand Prize o Desang para sa serye niyang Big Mouth, at sa kanyang speech ay nabanggit na niya ang tungkol sa inspirasyon niya ngayon at pinaalalahanan pang harapin ang anumang takot sa kanyang career. Agad namang natunugan ng mga fans na si IU nga ang tinutukoy ng aktor. Ani Lee Jong-suk sa kanyang speech, I had a lot of worries, fears, and anguish after completing my military service, but there was a person who helped me think positively and go in a good direction. I want to take this moment and say that I've liked you a lot for a long time, and I respect you so much, dagdag pa niya. Napanood si IU sa mga K-drama na Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Trio, 2016, at Hotel de Luna, 2019. Siya rin ang nasa likod ng mga award-winning songs na Good Day, Blooming, at Celebrity. Bumida naman si Lee Jong-suk sa mga K-drama na Pinakyo, 2014, Two Worlds, 2016, While You Were Sleeping, 2017, at Big Mouth, 2022. Matatanda ang unang nagkakilala sina IU at Lee Jong-suk nang maging co-host sila sa programang Inkigayo, 10 taon na ang nakararaan.